Hey guys, Chris here from B&B Off-Road Engineering. I've got another product just like to show you. We have the rear chain guard for the CRF300. We're installing this to a rally model. It does fit all the way back to the 250L models. When you receive your guard, it'll look like this. It'll either be shiny, polished finish, or we now offer a textured black powder coat. Looks nice. In your mount kit, you have 2 bolts, some rubber washers, and some small washers. I'm just going to remove this guard. This ratchet's a bit dodgy. So remove that bolt at the back there, and now that you've got rid of that, just going to get the supplied button head bolts, slipper washer on there, and put that through there. And we're going to rubber mount it just so it takes some of that vibration away, help reduce the fatigue when you're riding. Fumbling this pretty badly. Just going to line that up with the tabs there. I'll grab my 4mm T-handle. And just nip that up. There you have it. You can put some medium strength Loctite on there. Just keep them, also help reduce, they'll stop them from vibrating out. And so you can easily remove it if you need to clean it or take the chain off for any reason. There you have it. Thanks for watching.